Hello everyone and welcome to our third video in the Writers Vault. In this area you can see we have got the books page open, and again with all the pages you have a typical name there matching the URL. You also have the tooltip as well that tells you a little bit about the actual point of this page. In this one we see something different though. We see some filters, and these are here on the Pro account. What this allows you to do, if you've got a lot of projects, this could run on, there'd be lots of these record cards appearing here, and it allows you to filter out the stuff that you're not working on. So if you had another project with another 10 books in it, you can filter away to see just what you want to see. So it just makes things a bit easier, and we've got a search bar here as well, and you can just clear all the filters just by clicking over here. Sticking with our test account, our demo account, you can see we've got the project The Eternity of Our Age here, and it says the title here, this is in the Eternity of Our Age project, and you can see that's mirrored over here with Weathering the Storm. You've got the title of the book here, the first book, Eternity of Our Age, and you can see we've done a quick demo cover for it here with a made-up author, so apologies if that's your name. But you can also see Weathering the Storm here doesn't have an image. It has the default stock image shown in Writers Vault. And there's no text on it, so it just says a follow-on from book one, because it's something we may do at some point. We have the bit of information there, and again below you can see the text-based view if that is your preference. You can delete an item very easily, but also you can go in and edit details. Now when you create a book, it has to be assigned to a project. This is the only one we've got. Title can be whatever you like, number one if it's a standalone one, or whatever it is if it's part of a series. You have your basic plot summary, and then you have characters. Now you can add these characters as and when you go, which is done in the characters section, and we'll cover that in a bit more detail. You can upload a book cover as well, or remove a cover. So it's very, very simple to use, very easy, and now we're starting to form the relational plans of how everything works. So we've got a project, we've got a book, then we start getting into the actual meat of it afterwards, which will be covered in a separate video as we cover the very important plot notes, characters and items, because these are the real crux of the Writers Vault. These are the cream that are going to help you do more and do better work with the writing time that you have. So any questions as ever, hope you like it. Thanks very much for listening, and we look forward to seeing you in the Writers Vault. Thanks very much. Bye bye.